Everyone, I'm Sushreeya, and today we're going to be talking about two topics, but it's kind of like a different kind of thing. So let's see. We are first going to be talking about two things. We are going to be discussing about what is a glacier, which we're going to be talking about right now in a second, and then we are going to be talking about what is an ice age. Let's start off with what is a glacier? A glacier is a slow-moving river of ice. Is the global warming making all these glaciers melt for these poor animals to live now? The answer is yes. They're retreating 50 feet every year. Retreating means getting thinner each year, which is really sad, right? Do you know which is the largest glacier? It's in Antarctica. It's called the Lambert Glacier. It is the world's largest in Antarctica, like I just said, and it was 310 miles long, although it's still kind of small too. Now, remember what our second topic was? What happens in an ice age? You also might be familiar with a movie called Ice Age, right? You might also be watching it this season since it's cold too, right? So let's start. What is an ice age actually? During ice ages, temperature fall, which means it becomes cold, and ice sheets cover large areas. Do you know which is the world's largest bodies of ice? It's the sheets of Antarctica, which you might be familiar. It's very cold, right? And did you know Greenland also is having a lot of ice? It's only ice there. That's why they say it's kind of a big land of ice. Now, let's see, when was the last ice age? I wonder, right? The last ice age was starting 1.6 million years ago, and then it was ending 10,000 years ago. There were so many kind of animals living, like the woolly mammoth and the saber-toothed tiger. Now, how much of ice is covering the world's land? It's very less. It's only 10% of ice covering the world's land. Now, since we're also talking about ice age, do you know how many ice ages have occurred during the past history? At least 5, and there are so many types. And these are the few things about the cool stuff about Glacier and the points about ice ages and a movie you're familiar with probably too. So these few things are the things. So if you like my videos and my channel, would you like to subscribe? It just makes me a little happy. And did you notice maybe my tone was a little cracking or something? I kind of had a cough and I just caught a little cold. So I hope you didn't really mind about that. Bye everyone. See you soon. Have a good day.